Assalamualaikum. My name is Shaman Anwar and I am the student of University of Engineering and Technology Lahore located at Pakistan. First of all, I would like to tell you that I was given the assignment and the class project on the Python programming language to execute a Pascal's triangle as a class project in coding. Uh, what is Pascal's triangle? Pascal's triangle is a numeric array which contains one at the top of the program in the output as a triangle and one at each row from the most side and the rightmost side. It function as uh, the sum of two digits make the output which is below and in between in between the number which are making that output. I wa- I I wrote the programming and coding of the project, and let's make sure how it works. Let me give the input 5 and execute the program. You see, here is the output. You can see as you can see in the output, the one at the top of the output and one digit at the top of the output which is one, and the, and one in every row from the leftmost side and the rightmost side of every row. It makes a triangle. Let me show you how it works. For example, you see in the first row is only containing one, and in the second row it contains one and one from the right and the leftmost side. If you add one and one from the left and right side, it makes two, which is exactly below and in between the third row, which is the output of 1 plus 1, the addition of the second row digits. Let's see in the third row, which is from the left side. You see 1 and the second digit is 2. Adding 1 plus 2, 1 and 2, it makes 3, which is the output of 1 plus 2, which is exactly below and in between the fourth row, which is the output of the third row. First two digits from the left two side. As you see from the right side, it contains 1 plus 2. Its output is 3, which is exactly below and between the fourth row, and it is the output of the addition of 2 plus 1 of the third row digits. Same is in the procedure of the fourth row. If you add from the left side, 1 plus 3 makes 4, which is in between and below the 1 plus 3 in the fifth row. Likewise, we have another example. Let us change the input and then check what is the output there. Let us give the input 8. Then it will make the output of the Pascal triangle of 8 rows. Let us execute this program. Here is the output. As you see, the first digit in the first row is 1, and the second contains 1 and 1. The addition of 1 and 1, which is in the second row, makes 2, which is in between and below the 1 and 2 in the third row. As you see in the third row contains left side 1 and 2. 1 and 2, the addition of 1 and 2 makes 3, which is in between and below in the fourth row. As you see the whole triangle, it contains 1 on the left side in all the rows and 1 on the right side in all the 8 rows. The Pascal's triangle which you give input, either it is 8, it is 10, or it is 12. If you give 12, it will give the output of 12 rows. For example, if you give the output of input of 6, it will give the output of 6 rows triangle. Here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is the output of 6, and it contains the one at the top and one at each row from the left side and the right side. Here is my class project. Tell me in the comment section, would you like it or not. For further discussion, I will execute more programs and upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you.